Good morning, everyone, especially to our dear panelists, Mom and Sir. I am Janet Miranda and Carol Joy Morong, which is my partner on this business implementation 1 and 2. Our business name is CG Enterprise, located at Malbog and the Ikbuak, Marinduque. This is our personal background, profile, and technical experience. As we can see, it included our name, address, age, birth date, and also our email address. In our value proposition, naka-include dito ang mga graphics which is represent our target place, the customers, and the products na kung saan makikita natin ang opportunity na meron kami is madaming customer kaming nakakasalumuha sa araw-araw naming pagtitinda and customers pay for it dahil healthy naman yung ina-offer namin sa kanila lalo na sa mga vegetarian na tao. Those are the some products we offered, such as cat, apple, pepino, eggplant, mixed fruits, and grapes. These are the flow of our production, purchasing fruits and vegetable, then packaging, and we made it to become mixed fruits, and also we sell fresh vegetables and fruits, not only a mixed fruits and other products, because the main products are fruits and vegetables. The existing tools we have is weighing scale and our facilities area located at the Igbuak. In quantity products produces within September to February 2025, ginawa namin dito is a pie graph. As we can see, ang sales namin sa vegetable, the high percentage produces is 37%, which is pepino, 23% sa eggplant, 12% sa onion, garlic, 10% sa squash, 5% sa ampalaya, tomato, and 3% sa okra and 1% sa spring beans. Sa fruits naman, as we can see, the high percentage produces is apple, which is 37%, 21% sa cat, and grapes, 18% sa peras, 6% sa poncan, melon, watermelon, and corn, and 2% sa banana and lanzones, and 1% sa orange. In quantity product produces of other products from September to February, the sales of other products, the high percentage produces is mixed fruits, which is 62%, 22% veggie salad, 11% sliced fruits, pepino only, and 5% sliced fruits apple. The commission rates on other products, the high percentage commission is chipcharon, which is 23%, 20% cassava cake, 13% ice candy and peanut butter, 8% graham ice cream, and hair accessories, 5% graham bar, arrowroot cookies, and arrowroot brownies. The schedule of production of our business, the activities are purchase of products, which is Monday to Friday and Sunday, posting of products Tuesday and Thursday and Sunday only, selling products Monday to Friday and Sunday, sales monitoring Thursday and Friday, inventory management Friday to Sunday. The direct labor and wages within September to February 2025 is 18,934, which is divided into two, 50% kay Carol, 50% kay Janet, which is 9,467 each. In market and competition, minamarket namin yung aming products through Facebook page and we post it. Then, we also sells directly from the customers by day routing, which is pumupunta po kami sa school, sa munisipyo, and sa DepEd. And also
dito sa barangay namin. Tapos, ang competitors namin is ABC dahil sila po yung nagtitinda ng same products na tinitinda namin. Then, ang pricing strategy namin is nakadepende kung magkano yung naging gastos namin sa products bago namin para makita namin kung anong price yung mararapat doon sa products na ino-offer namin sa customers.
In description of managerial, Janet, assigned to be a sales and market managers, she promote products through Facebook, maintain contact with existing customers, and focus on all operational activities, while Carol focus on financial and purchasing manager, which is in purchase product, manage inventory, negotiations, and financial reporting. In income statement po from the month of September to February, yung proposed po namin is which is 18,180 and our actual po which is increase is 18,857. In cash flow statement po from the month of September to February, yung proposed po namin is mas mataas which is 102,451 compare po sa actual which is 88,284. In our balance sheet, the proposed balance sheet is higher than the actual po, which is the proposed is 109,480, while the actual po is 97,399. In source of income po, we resell fruits and vegetable, and also po we offer other products po such as mixed fruits and veggie salad. And compensated for the product po, customer pay directly on the same day of our selling. So as you can see po, here's our pricing and costing po dun sa aming mga products po na ino-offered po, like fruits, vegetables, and mixed fruits and veggie salad po. Yeah, so yung fixed investment lamang po namin dito ay weighing scale po, which is 895. So the net income here po is 18,857 po. Challenges po sa business namin is yung availability nga po ng mga fresh and fruits and vegetable, and also po yung pagtaas po ng mga produkto dahil yung iba po ay seasonal lamang po. So in recommendation po, we can also offer online ordering and also establish physical store po if our business po become success. So here's our photo documents po of our daily activities. Age and municipality of Buak.